Roman concrete hardens underwater. Ours crumbles in 50 years. They figured it out first. The Roman Empire fell 1,500 years ago, but their piers? Still standing. Their breakwaters? Still holding back the sea. Their aqueducts? Still intact. Modern concrete? Cracks in decades, crumbles in a century. What did the Romans know that we forgot? For years, scientists were confused. Roman concrete was grayish-white, not gray like ours. It had white chunks inside. They assumed it was poor mixing, bad quality control. They were wrong. The white chunks were the secret. Modern concrete is made from Portland cement, water, sand, and gravel. It's strong. It's cheap. But water eventually seeps in. It freezes, it thaws, it cracks. Reinforcing steel rusts. The whole thing crumbles. 50 years. Maybe 100 if you're lucky. Roman concrete was different. They used volcanic ash, not Portland cement. They mixed it with lime, seawater, and volcanic rocks. Then they poured it into wooden molds submerged in the ocean. And here's the genius part. The seawater didn't weaken it. It made it stronger. When seawater mixed with the volcanic ash, a chemical reaction happened. A rare mineral called tobermerite grew inside the cracks. It filled the gaps. It reinforced the concrete from the inside. The more water that seeped in, the stronger the concrete became. Roman concrete literally healed itself. The white chunks scientists saw, those were lime clasts, unmixed chunks of lime. Modern engineers would see them as defects. The Romans left them on purpose. When water seeped into a crack and hit a lime clast, the lime dissolved. It seeped into the crack. It recrystallized. It sealed the crack shut. Self-healing concrete, 2,000 years ago. So how did we lose this recipe? The Roman Empire fell. Knowledge was lost. Volcanic ash wasn't available everywhere. Cheaper, easier concrete took over. We forgot the science. But now, modern scientists have reverse-engineered the formula. They've analyzed Roman piers. They've recreated the mix. The secret is hot mixing, adding lime at high temperatures. That creates those reactive lime clasts, the self-healing chunks. We can now make concrete that lasts thousands of years. But will we? It's more expensive, slower to produce. Modern construction is about speed and cost, not eternity. The Romans built for the ages. We built for a mortgage. Roman piers still stand. Ours will be dust. They figured it out first. We're just catching up.